Hello! Mega love shoutout everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. Ayan, thank you for coming again sa ating munting channel. For today's video guys, ayan, binibidyohan ko na ang ating kubo kasi may nagtatanong how much daw is our small house. Ayan, yung ating kubo. So, ayan po, ang ating unang binibidyo is worth 30,000 pesos. Ayan guys, so beautiful. It is 30,000 pesos. And then the other one, the second house, this one is worth 60,000 pesos. So it has room inside. So as you can see, ayan, there is chair inside. Ayan, chair. Ayan, meron dyang terrace and then with room. Ayan, up and down. Ayan, may second floor ang room. So, ayan, meron ding small like cabinet. Ayan, mga kaibigan. At ang ating pangatlo, ay hindi, yung pang-apat muna ang ating bibidyohan, yung pinakadulo. Kasi hindi ko makita yung pinto. Ayun mga kaibigan. So, let's go to the last small house. Or, ayan, this one. Ay, hindi ko po natanong kung magkano. I don't know the price. That's why, ayan, binidyo ko na lang guys. It is cute mga kaibigan. It is, tag dito, ito yung latest na little house sa Philippines ngayon as of now mga kaibigan. Ito yung trending na kubo, trending na little house. Ayan, in Philippines. Especially in some resorts. And then ito yung last na kubo. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, merong window. Ito yung merong window. It worth 80,000. No. It worth 70,000 pesos. I'm sorry. So, ayan. Merong terrace. May sala pala. May sala. Ayan. Upuan. May malawak. And then may room. So, beautiful lang paggagawa. Ayan. May room dyan sa loob. Ayan. Tchadan! May second floor. Yung ating room, ayan, may second floor, may first floor, at may mga cabinet, ayan. So, beautiful, guys. So, that's all lang po sa ating video today. So, ayun, again, thank you very much for always watching our video. Thank you for watching, mga kaibigan. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!